Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are breaking down a complete step-by-step deployment guide for the Fights on Demand Kodi add-on, which you'll usually just hear called FOD. If you've been looking to get this running on your system, well, you're in exactly the right place. We are going to strictly focus on how FOD installation works right now, utilizing the absolute most current methods and sources provided by the technical guides over at Wireless Hack. By the end of this walkthrough, you are going to understand exactly how to navigate the Kodi interface to successfully mount this highly specific add-on.
To make sure your setup goes off without a hitch, here is our game plan for today. 1. Introduction to Fights on Demand. 2. Prerequisites and compliance check. 3. Phase 1. Adding the source. 4. Phase 2. Installing Z3RO Repository. And 5. Phase 3. Add-on deployment.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1. Introduction to Fights on Demand, the core capabilities.
Now, what's really wild here is the sheer breadth of combat sports content this thing supports. Fights on Demand, it's not just a generic sports add-on, right? It's a highly specialized deployment built specifically for fighting, boxing, and MMA fans. The directory structure actually includes dedicated sections for the absolute latest UFC and MMA replays, full UFC shows and series, plus comprehensive boxing replays. It essentially transforms your Kodi setup into this massive centralized hub for combat sports media.
Moving right along to Section 2, Prerequisites and Compliance Check, System and Legal Guidelines. So, before any software deployment, we absolutely have to talk about legal compliance. It's crucial. Our source material from Wireless Hack explicitly outlines that they are an informational site that does not support copyright infringement, period. When you're operating Kodi and installing third-party add-ons like FOD, you've got to ensure the software is only utilized to access media that is firmly in the public domain or, content that you've personally bought and currently own. You definitely need to have that compliance framework in mind before modifying your media center.
Okay, so what technical environment do you actually need to run this today? Well, the add-on pulls from the Z3RO repository, which requires a highly specific URL that we're going to input in just a minute. But importantly, your core system absolutely needs to be running either Kodi version 20 Nexus or version 21 Omega to ensure full compatibility. If you're still running an older legacy version of Kodi, you're going to need to upgrade your system before going any further.
You also got to identify your specific user account type before firing up the add-on. See, FOD is built to support two completely distinct pipelines. You have premium Real-Debrid accounts, which utilize paid high-speed servers, and then you have free, non-Debrid users. If you don't hold a paid Real-Debrid subscription, hey, that is perfectly fine, but you absolutely must remember to exclusively use the folders labeled non-Debrid once the add-on is open. Otherwise, the streams literally just won't resolve.
With the prerequisites out of the way, let's initiate Section 3, Phase 1, Adding the Source, Initial Configuration.
You'll want to follow these precise configuration steps to safely link the external repo to your Kodi system. Start at the top left of your home screen, click the gear icon to hit System Settings, and then open the File Manager. From there, select Add Source, and click right on the text that says None. This is going to open a keyboard prompt. Now pay attention here. You must type this URL exactly as it appears. https://mylostsoulspace.co.uk/repo. Seriously, one tiny typo here will cause a pathing error and ruin the whole shebang. Once that's in, drop down to the naming box and type narcassist. Always take a second to double-check your spelling before clicking OK.
Now, for Section 4, Phase 2, Installing Z3RO Repository, Zip Deployment.
For this phase, you actually need to back all the way out to your main Kodi menu. Click on Add-ons, and then look for that little open box icon at the top left. Yep, that's your package installer. Click Install from Zip File. Now, if you get a warning pop up here, don't freak out, just click Yes. It just means you need to make sure your Unknown Sources setting is toggled on. Next, select that narcassist source we just created, and click on the file named repository.0-1.0.0.zip. If you happen to see a newer version number sitting there, always choose the newest one. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is patience. Hands off the keyboard. You must wait a few moments until you see a small notification pop up at the top right of your screen confirming repo installed.
Seeing that notification means we are ready for Section 5, Phase 3, Add-on Deployment, Finalizing FOD.
Since you're already sitting right there in the package installer menu, simply go down one single line and click Install from Repository. You're going to see the Z3RO Repository listed right there. Click into it, then open the Video Add-ons directory. Scroll through that list until you locate Fights on Demand. Click it and smash that Install button. Completing these final structural steps will successfully unpack and onboard the FOD module right into your environment. Once it finishes downloading, boom, it's ready for immediate access from your main add-ons menu.